Hi everyone, welcome to MiLA Steel 2024 tutorial video. MiLA Steel is a powerful software solution tailored for industrial and commercial projects to streamline your steel structure design process. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of creating a steel structure using MiLA Steel. To get started with MiLA Steel, let's get the software installed. Once installed, launch MiLA Steel. Diving into a new project is easy with MiLA Steel. Firstly, let's create a new project. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate your steel structure project. Define the project parameters such as project name, project destination, and code of practice. Select your code of practice. It is available in either British Standard, BS, or Eurocode 3, EC3. Let's name the project Tutorial 1. Next, click OK to proceed with the structural modeling. Now let's create a model using MiLA Steel 2024. First and foremost, open the 3D view to visualize your model. Create a portal frame and start by adding a portal frame with 4 spans at intervals of 6,000 mm, each span having a length of 1,000 mm and a height of 5,000 mm. In MiLA Steel, we can choose the material, section profile, and conditions for the portal frame structure. When it comes to section profiles, we provide a diverse range of steel sections. If the desired one is not available, there's always the option to customize section sizes. For instance, you can choose a universal beam with the size of 406 x 140 x 39 mm for the rafter. Furthermore, add grids by entering 3000 multiplied by 5 to the right side. Alternatively, you can add the grid manually by clicking to the left and entering the value. Let's talk about adding components in MiLA Steel. It's a breeze. Left-click to add columns where the grid intersects. Or use the window selection for batch addition if you have multiple columns. Next, when it comes to beams, it's as easy as click and drag to exactly where you want them. For trusses, begin with 1B1 to B5 and select the properties of the trusses, such as the type of truss, geometry of trusses, and loading on the truss. Take advantage of the super handy copy and paste truss feature to save time. Click the copy truss and paste the truss to 1A to B5. Adding purlins is a snap too. Just click on trusses 1A to B5 and 4A to B6. The section properties of purlin can be chosen from here. Moreover, purlins can also be added to beams. Let's click on beam 1C to H and 4C to H to connect the beam. The first and last members will be automatically removed because they have overlapped with the beam. Isn't it very handy? Moving on to the connection of our steel structure, click the Update Connection button. Now, updating all the connections is just a click away. Yes, it is just that simple. Let's take a closer look at the steel connection in the 3D view. We are now moving on to adding loading to our structure. Loads can be applied to columns, beams, and purlins. Let's start by adding a point load to our beam. Click on the beam, then click the beam B1 to 3, press the Add button, and choose Point Load. In addition to the point load, there are variations available, including uniformly distributed load, trapezoidal load, brick wall load, and light block load. The point load is set to be 3,000 mm from one end of the beam. The point load of 20 kN and live load of 10 kN will be applied in the Z direction. The load can be easily copied to other beams by using the Copy Beam Loads function and subsequently pasting it onto the desired beams using the Paste Beam Loads function. Thank you for joining us on this MiLA Steel journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. For more valuable content and to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button.